Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's insightful video about a remarkable natural remedy that promises to improve your hair growth like never before. The DIY Avocado Conditioner. Throughout this video, we will unravel the secrets of how a simple ingredient from your kitchen could revolutionize your hair care routine, promoting stronger, healthier hair. For centuries, avocados have been renowned for their myriad health benefits, both internally and externally. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural oils, the avocado is nothing short of a superfood. Now, imagine harnessing the full potential of this fruit to revive your hair and stimulate its growth. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins B and E, which play a crucial role in hair health. Vitamin B is known to strengthen and repair damaged hair by promoting better blood circulation at the scalp, thereby encouraging hair growth. Meanwhile, vitamin E helps repair the scalp, thus creating an optimal environment for new hair growth. Furthermore, the natural oils present in avocados serve as an excellent moisturizer, penetrating deep into the hair shaft to add shine and strength. To create this luxurious hair conditioner, you'll need a ripe avocado and a few additional ingredients that most people keep in their kitchen. Begin by selecting an avocado that is perfectly ripe. Gently press its skin to ensure it yields to the touch, signifying that it is ready to use. Once chosen, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Alongside the avocado, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Coconut oil is famous for its penetrative properties, allowing it to nourish hair follicles deeply. Its antifungal attributes also keep scalp problems at bay. Honey, on the other hand, works wonders as a humectant, drawing moisture into the hair and ensuring it remains soft and silky. Mash the avocado thoroughly until it achieves a creamy consistency. Incorporate the coconut oil and honey, mixing the ingredients to ensure a uniform blend. If available, the addition of a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or rosemary, can enhance the conditioner's fragrance and offer additional soothing properties. With a perfectly blended mixture at hand, apply it generously to your hair, focusing particularly on the tips, where damage is typically most severe. Allow the conditioner to sit for approximately 30 minutes. During this time, the nutrients will penetrate the hair and scalp, delivering their restorative benefits. Meanwhile, consider covering your head with a shower cap. This will create a warm environment, ensuring the hair cuticles open and absorb the nutrients more effectively. Upon completion of the 30-minute session, rinse your hair thoroughly using lukewarm water. Follow this with a mild shampoo to ensure no residue remains. If done regularly, ideally once a week, this natural conditioning treatment can transform your hair, enhancing its growth and health enormously. But beyond the physical benefits, there is a profound satisfaction in using natural, kitchen-sourced products. It is an act of self-care that fosters a connection with nature and simplifies beauty routines, all while being eco-friendly and cost-effective. In conclusion, the use of a DIY avocado conditioner is a testament to the wonders of natural health remedies. It shows how nature provides us with the resources we need to nourish and care for ourselves in simple yet profoundly effective ways. By adopting this routine, you're not just conditioning your hair, you're embarking on a journey towards healthier hair and embracing a lifestyle that honors the natural world. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the avocado conditioner for hair growth. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Be sure to try it out and share your experiences with this miraculous treatment. Remember, nature holds the secrets to timeless beauty, and the simple avocado may just be your key to unlocking it. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into natural beauty and wellness.